Hello, this is Mrs. Henry. I am teaching Child Care and Development this semester at the high school. When you need to access your Schoology course, whether face-to-face or hybrid flex, or if we were to go online from home, log into Schoology as you usually would. Under your Courses tab, you will find a course that looks like this, Child Care and Development Semester. I have combined the sections that I will be teaching for marking period 1, but this will be similar for those in following marking periods. You will see that we have a textbook that is digital, a course outline, and then chapter by chapter. The order in which I will make these published may be different than the list as you see me scrolling through right now. The reason being, we need to be very flexible this school year in order to prepare not only for the Little Barons preschool that comes in the later weeks of this semester, but also to just kind of flex for all of the things that we're trying to do at this time. You'll notice at the bottom that there's an Emergency Enrichment Materials folder that is red. I'm going to click on that. Inside this folder, I have days 1 through 10 created. If you simply click on the Day 1 folder, you'll notice the tasks that are available to you. To get back into that folder, which is currently unpublished but will be available when you need it, this is for any event that I would be absent. I'm going to go to the days 7 through 10 to briefly explain. This is a choice board, not in the form of a board, but in the form of a list where I have more than 4 options. It is over the sequence of 4 days, and you may of course choose 4, that's the minimum, but if you would exceed that, that's also okay. Within each there are directions, links, and ways for you to participate and upload documents. Sometimes it's a discussion, sometimes it's an article, a movie, and so on and so forth. Please follow the directions carefully so that you can make the best choice for you. As I return to the main page for Child Care and Development, remember that the order in which we learn might be variable based on our needs and the needs of our district or our particular classroom at the time to get ready for the preschool. So that is the basics of our Schoology page, and if you have any questions, email is probably the best way to reach me if we are online.